Want to know how to unrestrict someone in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And on the bottom right side, you should be saying menu. Just simply select it. Now, once you've selected menu, you should be provided with this interface, and on top, you should be saying settings. Just simply select settings and scroll all the way down, and under preferences, you should be seeing privacy and safety. That should be right below accessibility. Just simply select it, and now scroll down all the way until you see restricted accounts. Just simply select it, and here you can see restricted accounts. Just simply select their account and then select on restrict. And once that is done, your chat will be unrestricted. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.